Here's a fun little problem that I commonly find is that the GFCIs for the exterior connect to other things that you really don't want them connected to. So I tripped the GFCI outside on the front porch, something you do, or in the exterior where you're blowing leaves or something, and if your blower overheats, it's going to shut off, but it's connected to the Verizon box. So when that trips, your Verizon's not going to work, which is going to make people unhappy. Very often I find them connected to electric water heaters or a chest freezer in the garage or your garage door opener. And these things are just really nuisance. I really wish that builders and electricians would put these in more in a parallel than in series, with something like this one here connecting to the garage door opener and everything else off of that, every receptacle being separate and not connected to the other ones.